How to email Bank of America. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to email Bank of America. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. There are several ways on how you can contact Bank of America. Go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, type in bankofamerica.com. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the Contact Us option. Tap on that. You will then be shown with a bunch of options to contact Bank of America. However, if you want to mail Bank of America, then draft your mail and send your mail correspondence to the details shown on the screen. So, this is how you can email Bank of America. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for similar helpful tutorials. Thank you for staying with us until the end and see you on the next one.